Hey guys, I'm Alena and today we're gonna do adjectives in French. So the basic meaning of adjective is a word which describes the noun. So here are a few words listed in masculine form and here are few adjectives which are listed in feminine form. If you don't know how to identify masculine and feminine words, check out this link. So first is grand and grande, which means tall. Petit and petite, which means short. So these both are the antonyms. Mince and mince, which means thin. Here's an exception. Even though it has an E, it's a masculine word. Then we have gros and grosse, which means fat. So when a word ends with S, when we convert it into female form or feminine form, we add one more S and then an E. Then we have méchant and méchante, which means naughty. Then we have gentil, gentil and gentille, which means gentle. Laid and laide, which means ugly. So grand grande, petit petite, mince mince, gros grosse, méchant méchante, gentil gentille, laid laide. Now we convert these adjectives into the masculine plural and feminine plural. So the first word grand, in masculine plural we will add a S and in feminine plural we add ES. Petit, S, ES. Mince, S and S because it's an exception. Méchant, S, ES. Gentil, S and LES, because like in this word gross, like I told you before, when it converts into feminine form, we add one more S and E. So like same here, gentil, we add one more L and E to convert it into feminine. So this is the word which comes when we convert it into feminine. And now to convert it into plural, we just add one more S. So this is how we write it. Same here. Then beau. Beau means handsome and belle means beautiful. So these both words have different. So for word beautiful, we have two different words. So beau, we have beau. Belle, belle. So this chapter did not have much to be explained. You just need to keep all these in mind. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I am on YouTube.